Deep root blackhead removal hidden pore extraction transformation. Some blackheads sit on the surface, and some go deeper than you think, hidden inside the pores, attached at the root. These are the blackheads that stay longer. They make the skin rough, and they keep returning. In today's treatment, we are removing deep root blackheads hidden beneath the skin, and the transformation is incredibly satisfying. What are deep root blackheads? Not every blackhead is the same. Some only block the surface, but deeper blackheads form lower inside the pore. They attach to oil and dead skin buildup at the root of the pore. This makes them harder to remove, more stubborn, more visible over time. Step 1. Skin preparation. Before deep extraction, the skin must be prepared carefully. We begin with cleansing the skin surface. Then steam is applied to soften the deeper buildup. This helps loosen the blackhead from inside the pore. Step 2. Root extraction begins. Now the extraction starts. Unlike normal extraction, deep root blackheads resist pressure. They stay connected deeper inside. Slow controlled pressure is used to release the entire buildup. This is what makes the extraction more satisfying. Why these blackheads return? Deep root blackheads often come back because only the surface is removed. The root stays inside. The pore remains stretched. If the full buildup is not removed, the pore fills again quickly. Full extraction technique. To remove the entire blockage, we focus on angle of pressure, depth control, slow release. This helps remove the full blackhead from the pore, not just the visible part. Skin recovery phase. After extraction, the skin needs calming. A soothing treatment helps reduce redness and supports recovery. Hydration also helps the pore return to normal shape. Final transformation. Now look closely. Before, dark clogged pores. After, clean smoother skin. The difference is not just visible, it can be felt. Final message. Some skin problems stay hidden, and sometimes, the deepest blackheads create the biggest difference. When the root is removed, the skin finally begins to change. If you enjoyed this satisfying deep root extraction, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more deep pore cleaning, blackhead removal, and skincare transformations, stay connected.